Here's how to make easy Korean beef. Start with 500 grams of tender beef. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well. Place the marinated beef in a pressure cooker. No additional water is needed, as water will seep from the beef for it to cook. Cook for 3 whistles or until the beef becomes tender. Once the beef is cooked, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and coat the beef evenly. Heat 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed non-stick pan. Shallow fry the beef until it turns golden brown. Strain and set it aside. To the leftover oil in the pan, add 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts, and 2 tablespoons of sliced green onion. Stir fry for about 2 minutes, or until it becomes aromatic. Now, add the fried beef back to the pan. Season it with 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of broth, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Cook on medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the gravy thickens to your liking. Finally, garnish with sliced green onion and serve hot. Enjoy your delicious Korean beef.